So what you doing today?
I am replacing my fuel filter. I am taking these two top things. Clamps? Hose clamps. I'm loosening them so I can take these hoses off. I'm taking these off. By these I mean the top two hoses. Do I just need to make it loose enough where the hose can come off? I don't need to take them all the way off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try that.
So that first one she's loosened is the feed from the tank. And then the second one that she's going to do next is the return.
Okay, but this feels... Okay, that's definitely loose. I'm just a baby. Oh, there it goes.
Good job.
Yay. Ooh, I got stuff on me.
Yep, diesel.
Yum. Oh my god, I'm learning.
Look at you go. Good job.
Yay. And you said that the thing is where?
Right there.
Right here. I feel it. How do I not break it?
I don't think you're actually pushing that clip, but I might be wrong.
I think I am. Wait, it pulls out that way, right?
Yeah.
Clip in. Pull.
It's been a while since they've done it.
There it goes.
Good job.
I did the wiggle.
Yay, good job. So that is an H5 bit. It's a hex bit. So you're just gonna loosen that up.
I'm like right up in the camera, sorry.
That's fine.
Insert 45 seconds of Anna making a fool out of herself on camera.
Hot in the cell.
There we go. I am so smart.
You might have to turn the fuel filter a little bit to get it out, but once you get it to a certain point.
God, I'm so close.
I know. Good job.
Got it.
Woo, okay. Let's see.
Oh, it's heavy.
Good job.
Thumbnail. Fleet Guard FF5698. Made in Germany, Mercedes-Benz.
Yep, that is the water and fuel sensor actually, so it's good that they've stuck with the OEM all this time.
I'm assuming I have to open this to get the fuel filter out.
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
Huh?
That's right.
What do I do?
I'll show you. This is the fuel filter that we're using. It actually fits 04 through 2015 Dodge Mercedes Freightliner Sprinters. So, Anna here is going to go ahead and do the due diligence. First things first, what you going to do there?
Take these two off.
Yep. That is your water separator.
Okay, this goes straight off?
You have to turn it one way or the other. I think it's the whole unit with the electrical plug. Yep. Once you turn it, then you can pull it up.
Oh, I see how this works. Oh my god. So I am clear and yeah, there you go. Ooh, ew.
Yep.
Stuff.
Alright.
Okay. Open.
Yep. So now you can bring the new one in. I can see it in frame, so you're good there.
O-ring goes there and there.
Yep. Yeah. Use this. Alright. Right. Yep. Bring that. Bring it. Yeah, use that. Good job.
Should I like wipe my hands off before I touch these?
Yeah.
Even glove.
You said the rings are identical, right?
Yeah.
It should just like sit in there.
In the grooves.
Did I do it right?
Looks good from here. The O-rings will swell as they react with the diesel. Now you're ready to reinstall it into the filter. Actually, before you do that though, not something we recommend doing all the time, but since we have it, just a little bit of it left over actually, we're just going to put a little bit of this liquid moly diesel purge in the filter. So it'll mix with the diesel and do its thing. So
Also, did you notice that in here it looks blue?
yeah.
Is that normal?
Yeah.
Is diesel blue?
Bluish.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm out here living a whole ass lie.
We don't have a lot of this. It's not going to fill it up, but...
Are you so, like,
Oops.
if you do this without that, do you have to put stuff in there?
No. If you are on a 2002, 2003, yes, pre-fill the fuel filter, but because we have that electric in-tank pump, we're good.
Okay, now I can put this back in?
Mm-hmm.
Am I allowed to, like, I can't put, it's literally like a 64th of an inch not high enough. Or low enough.
Try.
No.
Oh, I see what you mean. You know what, in that case,
Oh.
I would honestly just do that, and then once you screw it down, that'll it the rest of the way.
Okay. Now we reinstall?
Yep. Okay.
Good.
Now, back inside the engine.
I gotta back it out. I gotta move it where the sensor's not there. I'm not trying to break the sensor. There. There we go. Yay! Okay. Gotta rotate it. Like that. Alright?
Yep, now plug in the sensor.
Should it do like a...
Just push it in as far as it'll go. It probably won't click the same way it did when it was brand new.
I think it's in all the way.
Okay.
And then...
Don't forget to tighten that little bolt right
Wait, I gotta fit this. So you said do that? Yeah.
there.
Just tight?
Yeah, just tight.
My hands are so oily. Okay.
Why you wear gloves?
I think it's good.
Okay, checklist. Old fuel filter disposed.
Yes.
Water sensor from the fuel filter is reinstalled with new O-rings.
Yes.
Plugged in.
Yes.
Now, the two hoses on the top of the fuel filter are good and tight. Okay, and you tighten the bolt holding the fuel filter in place.
Yep.
Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn the key to glow plug position.
And then crank?
Yep. Start it and let it run for a little.
Crank?
Sure.